Right now, inside Apple's secret testing labs in Cupertino, California, a device exists that changes everything we know about smartphones. It is not just an incremental upgrade. It is not the iPhone 17 you have been hearing about. We are talking about the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Apple is preparing to push the boundaries of technology so far forward that it might actually make the traditional smartphone obsolete. If you are thinking about upgrading your phone this year or next, you need to stop and listen very carefully to what is coming, because a major, unprecedented shift is happening behind closed doors, and it involves a technology that Apple has been quietly developing for 5 years. Most people are completely blind to it. In this video, we are stripping away the corporate secrecy to reveal exactly what the iPhone 18 Pro Max looks like, the terrifyingly powerful chip running it, and a brand new hidden feature that Apple desperately does not want its competitors to copy before launch. If you skip even a single minute of this, you will completely miss the bigger picture of where consumer technology is heading by the end of this decade. To truly understand why the iPhone 18 Pro Max is causing panic among competitors, we have to look at the heart of the machine. For years, smartphone companies have been playing a numbers game. More megapixels, more RAM, slightly thinner bezels. But Apple is about to break that cycle entirely. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will introduce the world's first 2nm processor, tentatively named the A20 Pro chip. To put that into perspective, the transistors inside this chip are approaching the size of a single strand of human DNA. You might wonder why a normal user should care about nanometers. It matters because it completely changes the physics of battery life and processing power. This chip is designed to execute trillions of operations per second, while consuming up to 40% less power than the current generation. Imagine a phone that literally never gets warm, no matter how intense the gaming or video processing, and a battery that easily stretches into a third day of heavy use without touching a charger. This eliminates the anxiety of carrying power banks or looking for outlets at the airport. It is absolute freedom from the charging brick. But the raw power of the A20 Pro chip is only half the story. The real reason Apple is investing billions into this architecture is to support something called on-device neural processing. We have all seen the rise of artificial intelligence over the past few years, but right now, almost all major AI tools rely on the cloud. Every time you ask an advanced AI a question, your data travels to a massive server farm miles away, processes the request, and sends it back. This creates lag, drains your battery, and exposes your private information to the internet. Apple is completely eliminating the cloud dependency. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will handle highly complex, multimodal AI systems completely offline, right in the palm of your hand. This means your virtual assistant will not just answer basic questions anymore. It will monitor your daily habits, predict your needs, organize your schedule, and automate your entire digital life in real time with zero latency and absolute privacy. It learns how you speak, how you work, and what you care about, becoming a literal digital extension of your brain. If you value your privacy but still want the absolute cutting edge of artificial intelligence, this development alone makes every other phone on the market look archaic. Let us talk about the visual experience, because this is where you will notice the immediate, striking difference the moment you pick up the device.